Hi Van Trippers, so in this video I'm going to solve a problem that is common to a lot of Fiat Ducato type vans. Over here, in this window here, the sliding door, when you open it on the outside, actually slides across this window. And that means that if you open that window in the summer or on a nice day, and then you open the sliding door, smash, you're going to break your window. Okay, so according to the instructions, we need to locate the back of this stopper into one of these holes in the van. Now, that's going to go ahead of this door slider here. I don't know if you can quite see that. Ahead of this door slider here. So what you want to do is work out where the door can go to but without hitting the window there. So you don't obviously want it sliding back across that window. So the door can go about there. And that means we want it stopped on that hole there. Now this is quite tricky to film. According to the instructions, you need to put it that side of the arm. Obviously the arm's moving in that direction, so it needs to go in the hole on that side. Just in there. And you slide it into position and then tighten this wing nut here. So that's what I'm going to do. I'm not going to be able to film it and fit it at the same time, so I'm just going to stick the camera over here. Okay, so I've just tightened the wing nut all the way up, and that hasn't worked. So I'm failing somehow, I'm not quite sure how. I really don't get it. I don't understand these instructions. How's that going to make any difference? Got it worked out. So basically this catch here goes in, so the metal bit of the ring, you're basically pushing that under there and then tightening it up. Sorry, I don't know if that's going to focus. Hello, focus, there we go. So when you tighten that up, you're catching the metal piece of the van and it's coming down on it and holding it in place. That's how it works. So now you can see it in place. This wing nut here is nice and tight. Sorry, dodgy camera work, and that is fixed in place. So now I'm just going to try the door very gently. And as you can see, the door stopped short of the window and it's also held in place. Yep, I'd say that works well. That's a good solution. Let's just see if we pop the handle. That releases it. Great. Yep, that's engaging the catch. Fantastic, great bit of kit. Right, quick video then, that's all for this week. I just wanted to show you how to fit that door stopper. Hopefully that helps so many more people because that was actually quite tricky. So the key is to sight it within the hole of the frame, of the little circle in the frame, put it in, pull the actual stopper forwards to engage the little hook if you like, and then just gently tighten that nut. And when you tighten that nut, that's what grabs onto the back of the, you're almost like hooking that thing round the back of that circle and then tightening onto it, and that's what's holding on to. I hope that helps someone. And if you're looking for a solution so you don't break your window, I definitely recommend that. Thanks very much.